How to find cookies settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find cookies settings on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this one and click here and then just go down until you find this one, advanced settings. And as you see now we find cookies settings. Just click on it and manage it on anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to find cookies settings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.